And all I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach.
What if the future isn't built with silicon chips, but with particles that exist in multiple realities at once? What if we're standing on the edge of a new era, where computers can solve mysteries of the universe in seconds? Welcome to the world of quantum computing. Quantum computing, the next technological revolution. At the heart of every device you own are classical bits, 0s and 1s. But in a quantum computer we use qubits. A qubit can be 0, 1 or both at the same time thanks to a bizarre property called superposition. And when qubits are entangled, their states are linked, no matter how far apart they are. That means quantum computers don't just process data. They explore every possible solution simultaneously. That's mind-blowing. Quantum computers aren't just faster, they think differently. A classical computer would try one key after another to crack a code. A quantum computer, it tries them all at once. That's why scientists believe it could render most current cybersecurity useless, or create encryption that's unbreakable. But it's not just about speed. Quantum computing challenges our very understanding of reality, blurring the lines between physics, computation, and even philosophy. In 2019, Google announced quantum supremacy, claiming their computer solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take a supercomputer 10,000 years. This shook the tech world. Now in 2025, IBM has unveiled plans for a 4000 plus qubit quantum supercomputer. We're not talking theory anymore, we're watching it happen. Amazon, Microsoft, and even startups like Rigetti and IonQ are in a full-on race to build practical quantum machines. It's a global arms race, not for weapons, but for knowledge. Interestingly, some believe quantum mechanics aligns with ancient spiritual ideas. Concepts like non-duality, oneness, and simultaneous existence have echoes in quantum entanglement and superposition. Is science finally catching up with mysticism? While mainstream religion hasn't officially weighed in, the cultural fascination is growing. Sci-fi movies, conspiracy theories, even quantum healing trends, all feed into our collective awe of this technology. Of course, it's not perfect yet. Qubits are fragile. They need near absolute zero temperatures to function. Quantum errors are common. And scaling up, from dozens of qubits to millions, is an engineering nightmare. But there's a deeper concern. If quantum computers become capable of cracking all current encryption, who controls that power? Are we ready for that level of disruption? Quantum computing isn't just another tech trend, it's a doorway to an entirely new realm of possibility. It could unlock AI beyond our imagination, cure diseases, or be the scariest tool we've ever created. What do you think? Are we on the edge of a scientific golden age, or are we opening Pandora's box? Let us know in the comments. And if you love future tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because the quantum future is coming faster than you think.